everyone. Today we'll work on Leetcode problem 622, design circular queue. You can see already been accepted. So I will show you my design and how to implement it. And this question is very commonly seen during an actual interview, as you can see from here. Many companies have asked this question during the past 3 years. So you have to remember how to implement and be prepared to answer any question about your implementation. So here I will show you the code. So the key point is we are using a circular vector, to represent Q. So if we are going to use a vector, circular vector, we need to make the vector size equals to a plus 1. In this way, we can differentiate the empty and full. For example, we have HH as a head and TT as the tail, and we let TT is always empty, which means no data on TT position. Okay, because we have k plus 1 positions, we can have all one position without any data all the time. So then for Q empty, the condition is HS equals TT. And for full, Q full, it is TT plus 1 equals HH. You need to module by k plus 1, of course. Okay, then here is the actual code. Vector of size k plus 1. So f resize k plus 1. Yeah, then we have two variables, tt, and they are both initiated to 0. And for the empty condition, as I mentioned, it is hh equals tt. And for full condition, it is tt plus 1 modular by f size equals hh. Just return this and return this. Okay, and for front and rear, they are also straightforward. So if it's empty, we will return -1 as mentioned in this question. So we need return -1 here. It's similar for rear. Then for front, we will return FHH. And for rear, we will return F. Actually, we need TT -1, right? We need something -1. And if t less than 0, t should be updated by f size. Then return ft. Okay, then the only problem is for InQ and DQ. So if it's full, we just return false. Otherwise, we can put something inside. So we just f tt plus plus equal to value. So we put value at position tt, then increase tt by 1. And if tt equals f size, tt equals 0, then return true. Okay, and for DQ, things are similar. If it's empty, return false. Okay, and we just hh plus plus. If hh equal to f size, hh equal to 0. We can also write like hh equal to hh plus 1 and modular by f size. Here is also valid, so you can choose any one you want. And then we just return true. Okay, and I think that's it. Let's see if this will work. Okay, it seems this works. and let's submit. Yeah, it's passed. Okay, so we solved this problem, and the main idea is to use a vector with size k plus 1 to represent this circular queue. And whenever the head and tail are pointing to the same position, remember there's no data on TT, so this means this queue is empty. And if the TT plus 1 is HH, it means it has goes around and come back and almost reach HH, then this means the queue is full. Then the other things are quite straightforward. You just need to do a very careful implementation. Okay, and I think that's it for this problem. Thank you for watching. See you next time.